तो हम सब चाहते हैं ऐसा बच्चा जो बहुत शार्प हो, उसको चीजें याद रहे। तो इसके लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं? हाउ डू वी इम्प्रूव अ चाइल्ड्स ब्रेन डेवलपमेंट? 1. Introduce him to reading at a very early age. 2. Make sure he is aware of what's happening in the world around him. There should always be a discussion at home actively about what's happening in the world, so that he learns to form opinions. 3. Make sure he is listening to good content and watching the right content, which helps him develop the right faculties in his brain. The fourth thing is introduce him to sports at the age of 3 and onwards, which will improve his eye-hand coordination and which will also help him develop his brain better. And the fifth point is try and give him as much exposure as you can. Make him join different kinds of classes, do things of his interest, listen to music, learn how to play music, learn dancing, learn how to draw, be creatively inclined. All of these are going to really help your child have a really sharp, smart brain.
Follow UCMAS MP for more interesting updates.